how are you? So this time we had to be very much focused because this situation will be normal very soon, because we can see how much proactively Dubai government have done the things and intercepted all the missiles which came over. So everybody knows this, and this much of proactive measures were taken by this kind of a government only. So rising back from here from the east, not a big deal. So when they are attacking the Iranian, these issues are coming over when they are attacking all the US bases and all. So there will be a chance that we might have the more missiles coming over, more issues coming over. But still, the proactive measures, as I said, are so powerful as a government, which the government has taken. So in this case, it's not a big. I'm getting a lot of calls, a lot of messages about the investments for my clients, investors, and also our company. That's why I wanted to do this video. So let's focus where we have invested. These are family-oriented living, where are intense demand locations, where we were targeting the country's depth, not like just gone with the waves and just invested somewhere where the investors are foreign investors are just pumping money. So we had a deep analysis on the market. We had a deep location growth analysis and all. So that kind of a matured markets only we invested, where that we wanted to have the 1 year, 2 year profits to come over within those kind of time frames. So this is a situation. This war should finish. This war will finish, because this is not a direct war that the UAE came up with. It's a war that Iran just hitting the bases, US bases, but it will finish, because we can see the situation going in this manner. So once it is finished, it's about 1 month or 2 months, it will come back. So we don't want to talk about the full depth of investments coming over from foreign nationals and all, because they will have some issue when on the confidence on the Middle East, and they think Middle East like the UAE, right? But UAE and Dubai is different. So when it comes to Dubai, we invest in the Dubai. So we know that who reside here knows what's happening over. Who reside here knows how much powerful the government here, UAE, and also the Dubai government. So in that case, and we have invested, as I said, only in the most powerful locations where the demand is coming over from the residents as well. So in that case, our investors are 100% safe, and we see the pricing, same momentum will go on in the next 1 or 2 months, after 1 or 2 months as well. So in this case, be vigilant, be careful, just check on every single person and of your every single friend and the client and everybody and the families as well. We have to rise together, stand together with UAE this time, because this country has given us everything, every single hope and all the power that we needed in our lives, and we have to be strong enough in protecting this country at this hardship. But it is not a hardship for the UAE government. It's a very small thing. They are doing it superbly, as we can see. So I'm just traveling now, today, even now on Sunday. So because we have that much of a faith and the confidence on the government as well. So and how they are managing the situation, super good. So that is how we are bounced back. That is why the Dubai has come to this level. That is why we keep our same strength, same focus, and same confidence on the UAE and the Dubai government as well. Okay, all the best. Keep in touch.